Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is one of the sessions out of many sessions that we might we might do to guide you on using our website. So the first and foremost, what we would like to do is that we hope and pray that you will benefit out of the service and you will really have no issues in using the service. Please do feel free to contact us if there's any issues of any sort. And that being said, just to give you an overview of what you will be seeing for today's session, you will be basically taken through the home page, just a basic explanation of the home page, and then you will be provided with the guidance of as to how you can sign up for the service using our website. Sign in to the service of whatever that you are sign up for, and then you can if you have forgotten your password, and if you do remember your email address that you have registered with, you can use the forgot password functionality that we have provided. And once you have provided the once we email you the password as a recovery option, you can change your password, or even if you have registered and if you remember your password, still for all you can change the password as and when needed. Right. So that being said, let us look into let us start our session. When we look at our session, or rather when we look at our website, you can see that we are in a familiar page, and this is our home page, and we can see that you can navigate to other pages, or rather you can either you can click on these links in the side, or you can in fact go down to see those pages accordingly, right? So let me just take you to the testimonial page. So these are some testimonies provided by our few of our customers or few of our users, and we are alhamdulillah thankful to Almighty Allah for being able to provide services in a satisfactory manner. And this is just some of these some of the people who have benefited out of our service. And we do have a advertisement page where people can advertise with us. So since our site is quite popular and a lot of users are available, if you wish to advertise with us, please feel free to contact us, and we are giving you a space to advertise your business or company or anything of that nature for a very nominal fee, with a lot of benefits, and we will also include that advertisement into our WhatsApp groups, which is more than 27 groups, which is more than 100 people for each group, or 200 people for that matter. So that will benefit you in as a company, as well as even the users will be able to get some service from the businesses. And we have about us page where you can get an overview of our services. It's just a nutshell. Definitely, we have a lot more that we have done, but we have kept it very basic. And you can click on this button to see the our team, meet our team, and a small guidance on how to submit a profile, a workflow. And then finally, we can go into the contact us page where you can enter your name, email, and a message accordingly and send it to us, and it will go into our support group where most of us will be able to view your message. Let me go back to the home page. So this is ideally what you will be seeing, and even in a mobile you should be able to view the side menu if you click on the menu icon, and it will expand for you to see this icon, and from there you can do the necessary navigation. So let us just jump right to the sign up page, which is the main agenda for today's session. So how you go into the sign up page is by clicking on sign up or sign in here at the top. So you can, if you can see that you can click on sign up or sign in. So the moment you hit on sign up or sign in, you will probably be taken into a page of this nature, So this is the sign-in page. So basically, if you know your username and password, you can enter your username and password, and then you can proceed with the viewing of profile, rather the details of the profile. Viewing of the profiles, you don't need to sign into the page, but to view the details, yes, you will have to sign into the page, or you will have to register and sign into the page. So here you will have a couple of options where you can click on, if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this particular small link to go into the forgot password page, or you can go into register page by clicking on the register here, or you can even click on register here. So both of these will take you to the register page. Let me click on the register at the top, and I am at the register page. So if you can see here also, when you are entering the username and password, so you are requested to give the NIC number, phone number, email address, and a username. So make sure all these details should be unique. So if you already have registered with us, you will probably not be able to continue with the registration. So if that is the case, and if you remember your email address, you will not have a problem, or you can contact us, we can help you. But generally, if you remember the email address, well and good, you just click on the forgot password, and you are expected to give the email address. Forgot password will take you, send you an email with the password, a temporary password where you can change it. So let me show that to you, but first let me register so that you will be able to see how the registration works. Okay, let me go and put a valid username, and you should be able to get a this green tick. But let me go with Ihsan as is and continue. If I do give a username which is already there, I will be getting a red cross. Okay, so let me go and enter my details. But before that, let me stop this recording right now, and let me restart after register. So if once you hit register here, you will be if you have entered properly the details, you will get a message saying that successfully registered. If not, it will not let you continue. It will say that this recording already exists. So if that is the case, please click on forgot password and do the necessary activity from there. Let me stop the recording just for a minute for me to take register for this system. Okay. Okay, so I have registered to the service, and I will be brought to this page where I can basically log into the system. Let me try to log into the system. Okay, so these pop-ups and everything that comes from the Google, so you can utilize the Google's options to do the necessary saving and reusing. But otherwise, you enter your username and password, and you should be able to go over to the system. You can either enter username or password or email address here. If you have an email address, you can probably give that email address, and it should also work without any issues. So just to explain to you that we will, if you have registered with us as Nikalanka previously as Nikalanka, you can use the same username and password, as we have moved those data also into Livebond without any issues. You will be able to log in with that. If you don't remember, please go to forgot password and do the reset as I mentioned. So if you have registered, you should be able to get an email from our support informing that you have been registered to the system, a confirmation. So I have registered, as you can see that I have received the mail. So now let me go and log into the system. So I will be, once I successfully register, once I successfully log in, I should be able to get like this. Welcome, Ihsan Ahmed. So this is my name. And I should, that means to say that I have registered. So if I, so this is a public profile, definitely public page. Anybody can go and view this page, but you will not be able to view this particular details page if you have not registered with us. So it will push you to the login page. Okay, let me show it to you. Let me close this. Let me come back here. I will log out. So if I go into the view profiles, now I'm not registered or logged in. You can use register at this place also. You can click register or log in, and you can do the necessary information. So if you provide the necessary information, I mean, if you click on register details page, you will not be able to go into the details. Again, I will have to basically log into the system accordingly. Now, let me show you by email address. that I should be able to log in with the email address as well. So this will provide me the basically the record that I was trying to access earlier. So let me go back here, and well and good, I was able to register to the system. Let me show you how I can do a forgot password, right? So for that, let me log out. Let me go back to the login screen. Let me click on forgot password and let me enter my email address. So I have literally forgotten password, but I do have access to my email. So let me click on forgot password, and I should be able to get a message saying successful email your password. Let me click OK. Let me go back to my email address and see if I got a, yes, I have got an email. So I have got a new password for me to log into the system. So let me try to log in with my new password. So I will delete this. I will paste whatever that I copied from here, from this email, and I will click on login. And I was able to log into the system without any problem, right? Now I want to change my password. How do I do that? So since we have this details page is what we really require you to log in, we have the change password also embedded as a menu in the details page. So you can see here that you have the change password option here. So let me click on the change password here, and I will be able to provide the necessary information that is needed. So I will delete this just in case, and I will paste what I have copied from my email. I will put my new password. I will re-enter my password again. So as you can see, so just to explain to you, this is my email address. You have to put your email address, not the username. You have to enter the basically our existing password, whatever that came through the email at this text box. Enter the new password, re-enter the new password, and hit change password. And I should be able to get a message saying password successfully changed. Okay, let me go back and let me go into the system with the new password. So I think you will not need, once you change the password, it will automatically be able to let you in, because it is smart enough to identify that you have changed the password by yourself. So that's not a problem. But let me log out and let me try to log in with the password in the email provided in the email. Okay. It will say wrong username and password combination because we have changed the password. But let me try to put the new password that I have changed with. Then I should be able to go into the system without any issues. So that is pretty much what we wanted to highlight in this session. So we have covered the sign up, sign in, forgot password, change password. So this should be able to take you through any information that you need. One other thing is that when you view profile, you once you create a profile, only then once you register for the service, only then that you can create profile. So when you click on create profile without logging into the system, you will be sent back here. So please ensure that you register the system before creating any profiles. Hope this session was useful and informative. Please do contact us if you need any assistance, and we are here to serve you the best we can. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.